This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Open the trunk and remove the inner carpeting trim fasteners at the rear of the trunk. Then peel the trim forward enough to access the taillight components. Detach the harness clips on the mounting fasteners and disconnect the taillight harness electrical connector. Push the electrical harness grommet straight through the body. Remove the taillight housing mounting nuts. Feed the wiring harness through the hole in the body, then pull the taillight housing assembly straight back towards the rear of the vehicle to remove it. Use a plastic trim tool, if needed, to carefully detach the housing from the end retainer when removing it. Rotate the bulb holder counterclockwise, then pull it out of the housing. Pull the bulb straight out to remove it. Push the new bulb securely into the bulb holder. Then insert the bulb holder into the housing, aligning the notches correctly. Turn the bulb holder clockwise to secure it. Feed the electrical connector on the housing through the body, then secure the grommet by pushing it in place. Install the taillight housing, aligning it correctly and pushing it forward to secure the retainer. Install the housing mounting nuts and tighten them securely. Push the wiring harness clips onto the mounting fasteners. Connect the taillight housing electrical connector. Reposition the carpeting trim and install all the fasteners.